with a silent scream. A girl with dreams was told she's weak. No books, no chance to speak, just parts and scars on her cheek. But the fire never died inside, she said. I was born to rise from Chitungwiza to belly lights. Feminine power gonna light the skies. No more chains, no more pain. This is for the daughters that remain. Books, voices, hands to raise. Mamas and sisters break the chain. Waile so Tatenda Mawaya, Mr. Wise. Rise up, mama, don't let them break ya. From the dust we'll build a nation greater. Educate her, celebrate her. In her hands the future safer. Rise up, mama, no more silence. Say her name, fight the violence. From Africa to the Indian dawn, the power of the woman must carry on. Give her leadership in hand, digital skills,